Transport Bandits, I'm Cheryl.
I'm Jeff, or Mr. Dimples.
And we are standing in front of the world's largest truck. Take a look at how little Jeff is standing next to those tires. That's insane.
Is it the world's largest truck?
It's
I don't
big.
know. I don't know. The sign says it's the world's largest truck, but we are in Canada, so that could be questionable. But this is a big truck.
Let's take a look. Don't get smashed by those tires, Jeff. This is the world's biggest tandem axle truck. Here are some fast facts about the world's largest truck. Its height, it measures 22 feet 7 inches. The height with a box raised up is 56 feet. It is 24 feet 10 inches long, and it is 260 tons. The payload is 350 tons, and the top speed, 30 miles per hour. The weight when it's fully loaded, 600 tons. Engine power is 900 RPMs at 3,300 horsepower and has 16 cylinders. The cylinder bore and stroke is about 230 millimeters by 254 millimeters. That's about 9/16 by 10. The piston displacement is 10,320 cubic inches. It's a two-stroke side turbocharged after-cooled unit injection. The Titan used diesel engines similar to those used in locomotives, and almost 70 gallons of fuel was used each working hour. The rear wheels were driven by 4 electric motors, which would consume enough electricity to power 3,200 homes.
Look at all the lug nuts holding this thing on.
What did you say?
I said, look at all the lug nuts holding this thing on. It's ridiculous. Look. Just walk right under him. Great.
We're under the truck.
Come up here. And the suspension on this thing is some kind of really big hydraulic suspension.
What's this?
Now this is the front shock. And obviously power steering. Thing is huge. Fuel tank's right there hanging down. It must hold 600 gallons of diesel. It probably uses like 10 gallons a second.
I got all the facts for you.
Sporting Yokohama tires.
There's only one Titan 3319. No other trucks of its kind were ever built. Want to chuck 2 buses and a couple of pickup trucks in the back? No problem. Need to move 2 million golf balls? It can do that too. It can throw a birthday party for 300 2-year-olds. Once upon a time, in 1968 to be precise, the massive Titan truck was simply a piece of imagination, a figure on a drafting board at General Motors. 6 years later, in 1974, this monstrous truck construction was complete. It was then loaded onto 8 railway cars for display at the mining convention in Las Vegas. There, the Titan was the talk of the town and was quickly purchased by the company called Kaiser Resources. In 1978, near Sparwood, where we are now, where the gigantic hauler joined a fleet of smaller trucks to move earth away from the coal seams in the open pit mines.
I would love to drive this truck.
You're not gonna.
You could smash through anything with it. You could run over cars, buildings. It wouldn't matter. It's unstoppable.
Hey, Jeff.
Huh?
Did you know that it can carry 350 tons of stuff?
No, I didn't.
Did you know you can move 2 million golf balls in the back if you want to?
No, I don't want to do that.
Did you know you can throw a birthday party for 300 2-year-olds? Okay, they have a little gift store here at the world's largest Titan truck, where I picked me up a magnet and a little Christmas ornament. Well, Jeff, what did you think about the world's largest truck?
That's a big truck.
That's a big truck. All right.
Huge.
I hope you enjoyed this little bit of knowledge. And this is another thing you can do as part of the fun side of RV transport.
Tell you another fun side of RV transport.
What's that?
I have Cheryl a surprise in this bag.
I already told him I bought a magnet and a Christmas ornament.
Yeah, there's something else in this bag too that she doesn't know about.
Oh, I got a gift.
Yes.
Yay!
It's going to be good for her and good for you guys.
Well, let's find out what it is.
Are you ready for your surprise?
I am ready for my surprise.
Are you guys ready for it out there in YouTube land?
They are ready for their surprise.
It's going to be fun for you too.
What is it?
Here we go.
Weird facts about Canadian animals. Awesome!
There you go.
All right, let's go find some Canadian animals that I can give our YouTube fans some weird facts about. Okay, if you like the world's largest truck and us showing you the world's largest Titan truck,
Give us a like sign, comment about the truck below, and subscribe.
absolutely. Thanks for now. Transport Bandits
Out.
out. P.S. Don't I have a good man? Forget the roses that are gonna die, or the candy that gets gone in a few seconds. I get gifts like books about weird Canadian animal facts. That's my man.